Hey everybody, this is Miss Gerke. Welcome to English 2, Research with Writing, or Writing with Research, excuse me. So since we are not actually meeting this week due to the holiday, I did want to come on here and do a quick welcome video and just kind of give you guys a little bit of a course navigation before next week. We don't have a ton that you guys have to get done. But I do want you to take the student health acknowledgement quiz. So I'll go over that in just a minute. But if we go in here to content, you can see that the course is laid out in units. Anybody who had me last semester, this is very similar. So Falcon creates a course schedule. This is what alerts you on your Pulse app. But I come down here and I have the good course schedule. Okay, so this lays out the actual schedule of assignments. I have things that are due that aren't necessarily going to pop up in the Pulse app. As some of your classmates will warn you, if you haven't taken me before, I like multiple submissions of a certain assignment so you can practice that skill, face it as writing as a process. So for that reason, we definitely want to make sure we're following the good course schedule. Before we get there, let's just go to the Start Year tab. I have a welcome video just telling you a little bit about myself, so feel free to watch that. And then I do have my syllabus. I'm not going to go over this in detail. We'll kind of breeze through it next week when I see you guys face to face, but please take some time to read through this. I've got my office, my phone number, my office hours, so you guys can take some time to read through the syllabus when you have a chance. I'm not going to do it on this video. Let's go back to the Start Here tab. There's just some helpful materials, MLA formatting, grading rubrics, quote burger, all kinds of stuff. So you guys click through this stuff, take a look, and just preview that stuff. Let's go into the course schedule and take a look here. All right, so no class meeting this week, no face-to-face meeting due to the holiday. So if you look this week, we're just going to review the syllabus, review the content and the student materials and helpful resources, and then we are beginning Unit 1, Introduction to Research Methods, and then I do want you guys to look at the practice research paper. Other than that, there's no assignments due this week, no tasks, so we'll kind of hit the ground running next week. So if you want to preview some of that stuff, like I said, I have everything laid out in units. So if you go over here to Unit 1, everything is laid out here. This is the practice research paper. And so you guys, this is your first time, maybe not all of you, but a lot of you, this is your first time doing research for an English class, maybe doing research in a college course. So we're going to take you through that process, or I'll take you through that process. We'll go through it together, which is hence to the name practice research paper. So read through this. Here's the practice research assignment description. Here are the 3 sources that I've given you. Here's the Daytona State Library. So just go through, click through this stuff, and click through these documents, and we will, like I said, talk about it next week. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Otherwise, like I said, we'll hit the ground running next week. I can't wait to meet all of you or see those of you who are returners, and have a great week.